Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw the Squid Games doll in Incredibox Sprunki style. So first for our eye, on the left hand side, we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle. And then we're going to move over on the right side, lining that up at the same height, and we're just going to replicate that, leaving a small gap in the middle. Now on the top of both eyes, for the eyelid, we're just going to curve this line across. Coming underneath for the pupil now, we're going to draw in a circle, connecting that from the left, bringing that all the way around on the right. Now on the top left-hand side, we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle for the highlight. And then moving across on a diagonal, we're going to replicate that, just making it smaller. For the mouth, we're going to draw in a curved line in the center. On the top now, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line, curving this line around, and then down on the right, ending that at roughly the same height. And then now on the bottom, we're going to connect this together with a nice big arch line. For the eyebrows, we're going to draw in a curved line on both sides, bringing that down. Connecting this on the top, again, we're going to draw in a nice big dome, so we're going to curve this line around, bringing that down on the right. Let's draw in the ponytails now, so we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out on both sides. I'll step further in, bringing that further down on the bottom. And then now from here, we're just going to close this off with a curved line. We're going to do the same as we move in towards the top. Now for the body, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes down on both sides. And then again, we're going to close this off on the bottom with a straight line. And then underneath her face, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line. And that is it. That's how you draw the Squid Game dolls as Incredibox Sprunki style. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.